Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can serve this smart girl chic with signature orange tones Velma looks from Scooby-Doo in DTI. So you can use this look for a TV character theme or cartoon character theme. And let's just get started to create this look. So first, for the hair, you can just use these bangs and color it brown, and then you can combine it with this short hair, this one here, also with the same color. And next, let's do the outfit. First, I'm going to put on the glass, which is the signature of Velma look. So I'm going to just use these glasses in here, change the color into black. And then for the outfit, first I'm going to use this skirt and using this red color for the skirt and belt. And for the top, I'm going to use this sweater here, toggle it into type 2 and change the color into orange. And next, for the shoe, I'm using this one and change the color into red. Toggle it into add socks and change the color of the socks into orange like the sweater. And that's it. So this is the Velma look for you. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.